Hey everyone! If you're hunting for the best Blackstone electric griddle in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you're cooking indoors, outdoors, or need something portable for tailgating, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 Blackstone electric griddles available right now. I'll compare their features, price points, and help you decide which one fits your cooking style best. Let's jump right in. First up is the Blackstone E-Series 17-inch electric griddle, model 8001. This is a fan favorite for indoor cooking. It runs on electricity, so no propane tanks needed, and plugs right into a standard outlet. You get a large, non-stick ceramic-coated surface, perfect for pancakes, eggs, burgers, or stir-fry. With its digital temperature control and sleek glass lid, it gives you total control over the heat, making it a top pick for precision cooking. It's compact, easy to clean, and ideal for apartment dwellers or those who love griddle cooking indoors. Need more space? The Blackstone E-Series 22-inch electric griddle is a powerhouse. It has double the cooking area of the 17-inch model and comes with a durable hood to trap heat and prevent splatter. Like the 17-inch version, it uses a ceramic-coated non-stick surface, but with more room to cook for the whole family. Perfect for big breakfasts, burgers, or fajitas, this model is for serious home griddle chefs. If you're just getting started, this Blackstone 17 electric griddle bundle is a fantastic deal. You get the same 17-inch E-Series griddle plus essential accessories like spatulas, a scraper, and a bottle. This combo is great for beginners who want an all-in-one setup. No need to buy tools separately. Just plug it in and get cooking. Okay, so this next one isn't electric, but it's too good to ignore. The Blackstone 17-inch propane griddle is a classic choice for outdoor cooking and tailgating. It uses propane instead of electricity, making it perfect for camping or cookouts where outlets aren't available. It's compact, reliable, and incredibly popular for its simplicity and solid performance. If electricity isn't an option where you're cooking, this is your go-to Blackstone. Last but not least, the Blackstone 22-inch tabletop griddle with stainless steel front. This is a propane model like the 17-inch, but it gives you more space and a slicker look. It's built for people who cook a lot and need room for multitasking. Think bacon, pancakes, and hash browns all at once. It's still portable and great for patios, picnics, or camping. For high-volume cooks who need power and portability, this one hits the sweet spot. So which Blackstone griddle is right for you? Go with the 17 or 22 electric models if you're cooking indoors or want to ditch propane. Choose the bundle if you're starting fresh and want tools included. Pick the propane tabletop griddles for tailgating or outdoor-only cooking. I've dropped all the links in the description below so you can check current prices and reviews. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss out on the best gear guides. Thanks for watching and happy griddling.